So I'm taking a break right now from working on some tractors, and I got to pick some stuff up around the yard, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So we just did an addition on our house. You can see right here behind me, we just added that. And when we did that, we had to bring in like 200 yards of dirt to bring the lawn up to the house, or else we were going to have like a 3-foot drop from the house. So when we did that, we leveled off the whole yard and took out this fence that was right here behind me. So you can see the remainder of it right there. But it was super annoying. I had to back through that gate and then the gate right here where I'm standing to get back to my shop. So we just tore that all out. Gotta load up all that concrete and tear up the rest of this concrete that's sitting right here. We're gonna tear that out with the skid steer, throw it in the dump trailer, get it hauled off Kennewick, and come back, get working on some more tractors. Much better. So that's all the pieces gone from back here. Now I can actually get my tractors and my trailers and everything back here to park and store. And I also need to come back and spread some gravel here. So now let's go get the rest of it. Let's go put that in the truck. All right, we are done with the skid steer. I'm gonna push a couple of these forward just to make sure we don't have too much weight in the back, but should be good. Now we just gotta go haul it off. Well, I'm glad that's finally done. Here behind me is where we tore out a bunch of grass to build a driveway that goes back to the shop, and we're going to be graveling this pretty soon. I'm not sure yet if we're going to keep using 5/8 minus or move to crushed asphalt. Right now it's the same price where we're at, so I'm considering moving to crushed asphalt, but I have literally zero experience with it. So if anybody out there has experience with it, and which one's better? Which one do you like more? I kind of like the look of the crushed asphalt better, and I think it compacts a little bit better, but I'm not sure because I don't really have any experience in it. So let me know down in the comments. We'll see you on the next one.